In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the sign-in loop issue that can occur when trying to access Microsoft Teams. This frustrating situation can happen for various reasons, but don't worry, I'll walk you through several effective methods to resolve it. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To kick things off, let's start with Log Out and Restart options. If you're using the desktop version of Microsoft Teams, the easiest way to log out is to locate the Teams icon in your taskbar. Simply right-click it, and from the menu that appears, select Log Out. After logging out, restart the app and try logging in again. This straightforward step can often clear temporary glitches in the application. If you can't find the option in the taskbar, don't fret. You can also log out by clicking your profile icon located at the top right corner of the Teams application. Once there, look for Sign Out in the drop-down menu. After signing out, close the app completely and then restart it before attempting to log in once more. Moving on to our next method, we'll clear any corrupted or outdated credentials that may be causing this issue. To do this, start by heading to your Start menu and searching for Credential Manager. Open the application, and you'll find two tabs. Click on the one labeled Windows Credentials. Within this section, you should look for the generic credentials. It's crucial to find and remove any entries related to Microsoft Teams. These could be labeled as Microsoft Account User Goals or MS Teams ADL Service /. Once you've removed those entries, restart Microsoft Teams and see if you can now log in. Now let's talk about clearing your browser cache, especially if you're using the web version of Teams or if it pulls data from your default web browser. Open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Edge, or another. Once the browser is open, press Ctrl-H. This keyboard shortcut will take you straight to your browsing history. From there, locate and select Clear Browsing Data. You want to make sure that both cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. After verifying these selections, go ahead and clear the history. Once you've completed that, restart Microsoft Teams and attempt to log in again. In summary, we've covered logging out and restarting the app, clearing the Windows Credential Manager, and finally, clearing your browser cache. Each of these steps targets a common culprit behind the Teams sign-in loop issue. By following these instructions carefully, you should be able to resolve the problem and get back to your Teams conversations smoothly. Remember, troubleshooting these types of issues can take a bit of time and patience, so don't worry if it's not resolved immediately. Thank you for watching, and if you found these steps helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video for more tips and tricks. Happy working in Teams.